Hello everyone, welcome to How to Hub. Today's the topic is that how to set up a VPN connection on Windows without downloading any software. So let's go. So the first thing we need to do is to click the Windows icon to open settings. If you don't find settings, you can search on your search bar. Once your setting windows appears on your screen, you will see at the left hand side there is an option for network and internet. Click on network and internet, then click on VPN. So you are on your VPN settings now. Click on add VPN. A small window will appear on your screen now, which says add a VPN connection. Now you need to visit a website named vpnbook.com. Here you can find the best servers to fill up on your VPN settings. Go back to your settings and you can write your connection name, whatever you like. And for server name or address, you need to go back to your website and copy one of the server address. Paste it here. The VPN type should be PPTP. Leave username and password for now, it's an optional thing. Save it. Now the VPN has already added on my computer. Once you will click connect, it will ask for your username and password. You need to copy the username, and for password you need to write it down manually. Make sure you don't take too long to fill up your username and password, because it will not connect if it will take too long. Now it is verifying your connection. It's connected now. If you want to recheck, you can go and open your taskbar to check if the VPN is connected on your computer or not. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.